babes, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing this gorgeous, lovely, beautiful, aesthetic, easy to install, just wig from Unice. This is the Unice hair wig, and when I say hair wig, this wig does not need any glue, any spray, any adhesive. This wig is a put on and take off kind of wig, especially for my girls that have headaches from wig installs. This is your next wig, and this is actually 24 inches, 200 density. This wig has a lot of perks, but it also has a few downsides. We're gonna get into it in this video, so thank you so much to Unice for sponsoring today's video, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So here's the wig. We have this nice red box. First thing you see when you open the box is this pink pouch, and there's also something else. Oh my god, it's a robe. Yo, it's a robe. It's my first ever robe, and I see the girls with the pink robe, but I didn't know that Unice was sponsoring the girls with robes, and it says Unice right on the back, so I guess you could call me a Unice girl. Anyway, also inside the box we have a wig cap. I heard that Unice wig caps are very sheer, so I'm gonna try that out today. And then we have a card that says Unice hair wig. So this wig is supposed to be a hair wig, meaning that I don't have to do a lot to it. Like, it's a very glueless wig, and it just gives you information about the wig. You guys, I'm reading from the card, okay? This wig is supposedly breathable, reachable, adjustable, healthy, no glue, and beginner friendly. So let's see. It is pre-plucked and pre-cut lace. Let's get into the bag. Okay, so we have our wig. We have a bag of goodies as well, and we have another set of wig caps. So that's like 4, right? Yeah, that's 4 wig caps. We have the headband for your edges, some lashes, and then we have this. What is this? Oh, it's a brush. I think so far, compared to other brands, they have more goodies, especially the robe. The robe takes the cake. Now let's get into our wig. So this is a 13 by 4 transparent lace wig, and you guys know from my previous wig videos that wigs are usually smaller for my head. Like, wigs hardly fit my head, so we're gonna see this one. I did say it was pre-cut, and I can see that right now there's no excess lace. I can see that the knots were actually bleached, so it should be a very simple, easy installation. Inside of the wig there are 2 combs. I don't do combs on wigs, so I'm going to take that out. And there's also one in the back, and there is an elastic band as well. I'm going to take off the combs, and I'm going to put some foundation on the lace. Now I'm gonna adjust the band at the back to make sure it actually fits. This is what it's looking like. Like I said before, my head is small, so this is how far it could go. I'll kind of have to have it like a closure. We're not using any glue or spray because this is supposed to be a hair wig. It's supposed to be a glueless, easy install wig. Now we're gonna comb out the curls and just kind of see what's going on. I usually like more of a fluffy wig look. That's why I have gone on to comb the curls. I'm gonna go with my hot comb, just raise it and bump it up a little bit, and also make sure that it's not so high right here. So this is the end product. This is what we have so far. I'm not showing you all the wig to its full potential because my head is so big. I hardly find wigs that fit my head, but anyhow, for the actual hair quality, I love this wig. It's long, it's also very thick. I also love the fact that the wig is already pre-bleached, so I didn't have to bleach the wig and end up washing the whole wig. I love how that process was already taken care of for me. One thing I like to say is the plucking. I'm not too satisfied with the plucking. I think it would look a little bit better if the hairline was a little more plucked. So this is actually the largest size that this wig comes in, so I feel like there should also be an extra large for girls with bigger heads. For beginners, I believe this is the best wig you could get, because you could install it as a closure like I just did, or you can actually have it like a frontal if your head is smaller. I could also go ahead and add some edges, but I feel like it will take away from the wig, so we're just gonna have her like this. It's a nice everyday kind of wig put on come back home, take off. Simple as ABC. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in my next video. See ya. Catch ya later, boo.